What sound, man? Crypto Jeezy. I'm back in here, man. Would y'all believe I got 1,000 subscribers in 6 days off of 6 videos? That's right, 1,000 subscribers, 6 days off 6 videos. Want to first send a special shout out to all my subscribers that was rocking with me since the Up With Us podcast days. I want to send a shout out to my subscribers that came after that for me putting this work in. I want to send a shout out to the subscribers that came from just off of the homie sending word out. Shout out to Gangster, sending words out, you know what I'm saying, letting them know, go check me out. All the other YouTubers that, you know what I'm saying, shot me out, rocked me out. Miss Good Cat for putting my name in the chat. Danielle for putting my link in the chat. Just people following me, just people rocking. To all the new people that's coming, welcome to the team, man. Y'all gonna have some fun. I'm gonna make sure y'all entertain. I'm gonna make sure I put some good content on here. If y'all haven't checked out, go check out all my videos. Like, share, comment. I read every comment. I'm reading all of them, man. I want to hear what y'all got to say. I want to hear what y'all feel make it better. Y'all see I kind of switched it up. I ain't got no food in here. I ain't smacking. Waiting on the background to come. Shout out to my dog Q Ruffin. He done made the background for me. So it's in the air. We just waiting on it to land, man. Got a fire background. But yeah, man. I got 1,000 right now. That was yesterday at 6 days. Today, day 7. I got 1,030 subscribers. Y'all see the watch time, 2.8K off of 19 views, almost 20,000 views. And this off 6 videos. My longest video was about an hour. And the main one that they was looking at was my video with the best thing. So what I'm trying to do is tell y'all what I did, give y'all the game on how I put in the footwork to make it to where I got shot it up to that 1,000. One thing I did, I had people that was rocking. We got a podcast every night called Up With Us Podcast. The earliest is 12 all the way to like 4 in the morning. We rocking out. It's on my homie page, Terrence Gangster Woods. Let me make sure so I won't be saying the page wrong. But it's on his page. Every night we rocking out, man. I'm talking about constantly. We ain't missing a night. Yeah, Terrence Gangster Williams page, Gangster the original hot boy. That's what y'all look for. If y'all see you got 147K, man. Yeah, so we do a podcast every night from 2 in the morning. Well, the latest is 2 that we start, but the earliest is 12. 12 to 2 and all the way to like 4 in the morning. We rocking out. We letting you come up there. We got a number you could call in, 504-615-5900. Call and talk to us, promote your brand. We showing love. So that helped too, just being and engaging with the people, man. What else I did, every time I did a video, I put in the descriptions, I tagged. Whatever the video was pertaining to, I put a tag to it. Like the one I did yesterday, I just dropped one yesterday. Shout out to Gunsmoke Hookah. I did a video with her, an interview with her. So I put hookahs, I put baddies, I put Dallas, cause she in Dallas. I put Fort Worth, I put Arlington, I put all the states, I put smoke, I put clubs, cause where the hookahs be at, partying, you know what I'm saying? I put anything that I felt was related to what we was talking about, because if people looking what they looking for, they want to see something pertaining to what they searching for. So that was one of the things and I think that would work for me too, because like when I interviewed my homie Terrence Gangster Williams, I put in Cash Money, that's baby brother. I put in Cash Money, I put in Young Money, I put in Chopper City, I put in everything that was Killer, I put in Feds, I put in, he even got a tag that's in there. I put his tag in, and I put every video pertaining to what I was dropping. Also, my what is that called? Man, what is these thumbnails? I used the thumbnail. I got some good thumbnails that was kind of like, I felt like was gonna be eye-catching, like, you know what I'm saying? With where I stole one of the Gangsters thumbnails from out his off his iPad, and I put it on mine, which was a good one because it gave him with the cash money, all the cash money behind it. So that was a good catch. The thumbnails is what people like to see that I pull. That's what pulled me. So I kind of thought about what would pull me to go click on somebody's page when I'm searching. And it got to say the right title. It has to have the right title, and it has to have the picture because, you know, we might not see it. We still like to see pictures. You see what I'm saying? And what else I did too to make the watch hours shoot up and make people like it. I'm monetized right now. So what I did, I took some music and I put it in there. You know, I know it's saying copyright, like it ain't. It's what they use the word. Hold on, they use the word. Let me see what they use. It was something they told me, copyright. Oh, restrictions. So all the rest of them, I put one with gangster ones, but I don't know why I put like 3 songs in there and they ain't say restrictions. I guess I know it's copyrighted because it's cash money, but with hers it said restrictions. You see where it says restrictions copyright? Then I did one with gangster, and I got music in there. No restrictions. I gotta go check it out to see what I did. If I didn't put the songs for a long time or something, how you could beat that, but I'm gonna figure it out. And I might keep the songs in there if I could get away with it. I think it's a certain amount of time. But see what I did also? I did a lot of research. I went Google videos. I went watch videos to see what people was doing. And you know what I'm saying? I'm very analytical. Like I like to know exactly when I do something, I like to do it right. I like to do it perfect. I like to, you know what I'm saying, make sure when I give you something, I'm catering to you, like you getting what you're looking for. You know what I'm saying? So I think that music played a part. Well, I know that music played a part. A lot of people like, man, I like the intro, I like the outro. I edited it myself, and I learned that watching YouTube. So, I mean, I just put it all, made it a one-stop shop. So I put all that into it, made sure it was short, you know, besides what people want to see. I know men love women, so why not? Go get the women. That's what I'm going to. That's what I'm doing. I got another one about to drop today with the realtor. Fine chick. What men want to see? Women. So I made sure I gave it that. She told me everybody win with hookah. She came, did that. She promoted her brand. Shit, I'm getting some content. Beautiful woman. We both winning. You know what I'm saying? The realtor, another beautiful woman. She sat down with me. She let me come to one of her Airbnbs. I showed it. Got to promote her building that she renting out for Airbnbs. Put her information. I put their tags in and all of the information. We all win. So that played a part. My homie shouted me out. Thank you again, homie. Terrence Gangster Williams. What else it was? Man, I got to the point to where, say, bro, you know how nigga tell you, I holler at women. I'ma shoot. You gonna reject me, it's cool, whatever. I be feeling like that's your loss. But my homie will tell you, I'm gonna shoot at you. So I got so in tune with this YouTube and promoting this brand because I see, like, that's what I gotta add. I ain't gonna have time to do it. I'm gonna do that in the next video. And seeing what he made off of this, how much money he made off YouTube, to where now when I see a chick, I don't care if she bad or whatever. I'm on some, I don't want your number. Just follow me on YouTube. I'm gonna get paid. You know what I'm saying? You're not promised to be here forever. I keep this YouTube going to get my name out there. You might not follow me no more. Help me get up there. Help me get my 1,000 subscribers. Help me get monetized. I'm gonna work it from there. I'm gonna get turned on right there. So when I see a woman or something, I see a group, I'm going to, hey, I see your phone. Let me get that. Let me put that in there. They, you know, most women, you know, I guess I'm a little aggressive. They let me take the phone, put the information. If the homie with me, I'm putting your YouTube in there too. Ain't no just mine. I'm putting all eyes in there. Follow us, give us a subscription. Then they might, you know, that you never know. They might look at it and like it. They might like, you know, go to watching it. Then it shows with the person that's following them or seeing what they watch. It shows what they watch or what they following. So that kind of helps you. Like I network like that. What else I did? Promoted on my Instagram. I just did that. I was waiting to where it get to where I want. Promoted on my Instagram. When we did the podcast, I told you every night, go follow me. I just dropped the interview. What else I'm finding out working, I think really helped me, I did a short. See, when I did a short yesterday, it just took off. So them shorts help also. So I did a lot of shorts and I'm putting them out one by one, but you gotta catch catchy phrases. With the one I did with hookah, we got a beautiful woman. So why not use how to, you know what I'm saying, use them looks and benefit off of it. So I put that on there, put my intro and all that, shot to the front. And that's why I told you, I really don't care about me using the music right now because I'm not getting paid. I don't lose. But once I do, yeah, I'm gonna follow the rules and regulations. But you know what I'm saying? I'm the finesse guy. Anybody tell you I'm gonna find a way to make a move or go with my move. So, and that's what I'm doing right now. I think every video I drop right now, I'm gonna have the videos, with the music in there. You're gonna get you a little vibe. Some good music, sit back, chill. You can watch it on your TV and think, you know what I'm saying? You got your little Tubi, a little short Tubi movie. But that's what I did also. The music, the tags, not the tags. I'm gonna start, I ain't never tagged, but I think I'm about to start adding that. But I put the, in the descriptions, I added tags right there. They got another area in there where you add tags, but I added my tags and into the description. And I told you it's the title, is what you say in the title. You gotta say something that just make me want to look at it. So I try to make sure I use everything that's catchy. Thumbnails, again, make sure you got some good thumbnails. And until you get monetized, go with your move. I ain't gonna, give you too much finessing ways to do it, but that's what I did, and I think that kind of worked. I got a lot of feedback on. I like how it came on, the music, the flow. I let it flow into the interview. You know what I'm saying? I gave you something, and you gotta understand, I only been doing this 2 months. I started the podcast 2 months ago. I turned my page up. If you go see, I think I still got it. If you go see, I turned my page up. So they ain't even at the 7 yet. If y'all see it, say 6 days ago, that's my first video at the bottom, 722. And if I look at the watch time, my biggest videos is the ones with the top content, with the tags and with the thumbnails. And who not to use but Terrence Gangsta Williams. He got the YouTube kind of on lock. Well, he got it on lock. I'm gonna get my homie his crack. My homeboy got the YouTube on lock. So why not use him as a thumbnail? And then I used the one I didn't. It was crazy. The one I didn't use the thumbnail is my lowest video, and that's like one I dropped just now. Like what I'm gonna drop, I'm gonna have to find something that's gonna be catchy when I add this into my channel, so y'all can see it. Because I know one thing with this click, this gonna get everywhere. I'm gonna put the right tags to get it, and it's gonna really lock me in with my own 4,000 hours. Because right now I'm at 28, and that's in 6 days, bro. 6 days. 1,030 subscribers, 2,000, almost 3,000 watch hours. I need one more 1,000. I ain't even counting the two. I need 1,000 more watch hours, and I'm gonna be a certified YouTuber that when you watch my videos, you're gonna see commercials. And when you see no commercials, you know what that means. I'm getting paid. So I hope this was motivation for people. I hope I kind of gave y'all the gang guys some insight on what to do. You know what I'm saying? Well, like I say, you're going to learn. What I suggest is you take for somebody, add your little inputs, and make it happen. There's always some more stuff you can add into it and make it better. So, but I just wanted to pass the game on, push the people to motivate them to, you know what I'm saying, to want, if they thinking about it, do it. So that's it for me today. I still got to work. I'm editing a video. Oh, I use for it's on that phone. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, CapCut. That's my editing. I'm talking about on the phone. You gotta see with these big hands on that phone and with the phone I'm recording on, I'm using that, pinching and all that. And that's what y'all seeing out them videos. That's what my videos, that's where that's coming from, me doing it off of that. That's about it. And you gotta drop everything. The homie told me I wasn't dropping enough. He said you can drop 5 videos a day. I ain't even know that. I'm dropping one. I dropped 1 video in 6 days. I dropped a video every day. Today gonna be my 7th video, and I'm already at 1,030. So I'm gonna drop this, and which is the video I'm doing now, and it's gonna shoot me up because I know with the search I'm gonna put in it with the tags and people that searching to do their YouTube. they gonna hit it. Gotta make sense. Anybody know me, know that's my motto. It gotta make sense. So that's why this video being done. Y'all like, subscribe, share. Thanks to my homie Terry Gangster Williams for the love. Y'all check out our podcast in the morning. Early in the movie hours, we jokes the truck drivers, the people that's working overnight, warehouse, wherever you at, sit-in jobs, we joking y'all. Shout out to the Good Cat. Shout out to my homegirl, Mickey Michelle. Y'all go check out. She got the second lines for the city. She rocking for that city, putting y'all back in that NO flavor. And she got the tips on the clothes for the ladies. And she looking good, fellas. Y'all go over there, say Jesus sent me. Y'all go subscribe to my homegirl Sherry Make It Happen page. Me and her about to have some things in the work. Y'all go subscribe to the table. Y'all go subscribe to the juice. I gotta remember how you said. Hold on, because I want to give everybody their props that played a part in there you go. Y'all go the Juice Show No Sugar Coat Gang. Y'all go subscribe to them. She played a part in, you know what I'm saying, helping my subscribers. She promoted me. She talked about me. She came on show love as soon as I did my first live. Y'all go follow her. Again, Sherry Make It Happen, the Good Cat, Mickey, Michelle, the homie Terry Gangster Williams, OG Gangster Williams page. And I'm trying to make sure I don't forget nobody. The Table, OG Bam. Oh, definitely go follow my homeboy, Uncle Bang. Y'all go follow my dog, Uncle Bang, man. We got some stuff we cooking up for sure, for sure. Shout out to the homie Uncle Bang. We got something to make it for y'all. Y'all gonna love this. And that's about it. Like, subscribe, follow. I'm out.